Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make this easy chicken korma. This is one of my favorite in Pakistani dish. So let's get started. Okay, for the complete list of ingredients you can find in our description below. So we're gonna need 4 medium sliced onion, then cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, cardamom pods, some cloves, and mace, and also we're gonna need some black peppercorns. Okay, so for the masala powdered spices, I ground some fennel seeds and just a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, ground also, and cumin powder, coriander powder, some sweet paprika powder, turmeric powder, and just 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. It's up to you, you can add more, and salt to taste. 2 glasses of water, 750 grams to 1 kilo of chicken cut into pieces, and 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, lesan adrak in Urdu, and 1 cup of beaten yogurt. It has to be beaten so you know it will have a creamy texture once you put it. Okay, heat oil in a pan, nice and hot. This we're gonna fry our onion. Fry onion until it's golden brown in color. Okay, so once the onion is golden brown in color, take it out and put it in a paper towel to drain excess oil. Then keep it aside to cool down. So once you remove the onion, it doesn't matter if not everything is removed. In the same oil, we're gonna fry our chicken till it changes color into white. Okay, so our chicken now are white in color, and we're gonna add the whole spice masala. Okay, and then we will fry it for like 2 to 3 minutes until the chicken is turned into like light brown in color, but it's not really cooked. You're just sealing the flavor and infusing the aroma of the whole spice masala, and it smells so good. Okay, so as you can see, it has a light brown color. Then time to add the ginger garlic paste or lesan adrak in Urdu, and mix it. Fry for a couple of minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, like that. And then we're gonna add all the powdered spices and our beaten yogurt. Just mix all the spices and yogurt together until it's all combined. Add 2 glasses of water, cover it and simmer it for 20 minutes or until the chicken is tender. Okay, so while we are waiting for our chicken to be done, we're gonna grind our fried onion. It's already cooled down. It's nice and crispy. Okay, so we will grind the onion. It's like a coarse grind only, not like a paste. Okay, so you're gonna have this much consistency, as you can see. Okay, then half of it we're going to put in our chicken. So while it's simmering, you're gonna add it there, then just mix it and continue simmering until the chicken is tender. Okay, so once the chicken is done, add the remaining grinded onions. This will make your gravy a little bit thicker. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of water. This will make our gravy a little bit thinner, as you can see. Then we have to cover it and simmer for a couple of minutes. Okay, so before we turn off the heat, we will add a couple of drops of Kewra essence or Kewra water, whichever you have. This will give a nice flavor and aroma to our dish. Finally, our chicken korma is done. Transfer it into a serving dish and garnish it with the ginger julienne. Serve it with naan or tandoor bread and enjoy! If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.